Want to shut down your Windows PC with just one click? Here's how to create your own shutdown shortcut. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. Choose New, then click Shortcut. When Windows asks for the location, type shutdown/s/T0, then click Next. Give it any name you want, like Shutdown PC. Then click Finish. Want to make it look better? Right-click your new shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab, then click Change Icon. Choose the shutdown icon you like, then click OK, Apply, and OK. And that's it. Now you have your own one-click shutdown button right on your desktop. Important: save your work before clicking it. Your PC will shut down immediately. Don't be left behind. Stay secure, stay updated, like, share, and follow for more tech tips and reminders.